Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be making some fried dumplings. And what you need is flour, white flour, baking powder, salt, and water. So I don't have a measuring cup. So I think I'm going to pour it in like this. So if you have a measuring cup, you're going to measure it. You can measure it like 1 cup. And add 1 tablespoon of flour. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then you add some salt. So depends on how many dumplings you're making. And you just add the teaspoon of baking powder with the same amount of cup of flour you're using. So if you're using 2 cups of flour, use 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So let's make it right now. Mix it up. I'm not making a lot. So I'm gonna sit it under the camera, but yeah, pour the water. And remember, you're just mixing it. You're doing it at the same method you do as you make the boiled dumplings. But the only difference is you find these, so baking powder is added into it. But it's the same method. You pour the water and you do the flour like this, which you call kneading. Let it come into a dough, and then make them to fry. I'm using like warm water, by the way. Not really warm, but somewhat have some cold inside of it. I don't know if it matters what type of water you use, but I'm gonna make a little bit of flour. Let's see how much dumpling this could be. So when this happens, I usually just go back in the bag and take some out a little bit and pour it over it. And that's how you do it. Get all that. Don't leave that in this. So when you're making dumplings and you make this dough, you let it sit for like an hour or 2 to get the best results. So now 7:35, I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour before I can fry them. I'm not gonna be eating a lot of dumplings. So make sure the oil is not too hot before you put the dumplings in, because they will fry very fast and change color very fast and not fried properly. So you need to have the oil on low medium so they will fry properly. So you can make it like this, roll it around like that. put it in a pot. Or you could do it like this way, the same way how you make boiled dumplings. Do it like this. My hand just switched over, but yeah, we do it this way. Then hold it around easier for me. Oh, the oil is not too hot. Like this. I'm just trying to show y'all 2 different ways y'all could do it. Oh, it's been an hour by the way. I forgot what time it's like 10:30 right now, 10:25. And I'm just now doing these dumplings. They don't matter. Yeah, so it's been way past an hour, but it's cool though, because the longer it sits out, it gives you better results. You gotta make sure the oil is not too hot because they will fry really quick. I'm gonna show you. See, it's changing color already. That's how it's supposed to be. Have your fire on low, not too low, but low. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna put in. Put it closer. You know, fried dumplings. I believe them come out really good. See, look. Ah. So you're gonna fry them until they golden brown. Alright, so all of them is in. It's now 10:26. I'm gonna time them. So to keep it real with you guys, right? I wasn't the best at frying dumplings. So I fried some the other day and they didn't come out right. That's why I'm late with this fried dumplings video. And I was talking to my aunt the other day, and I told her, and then she told me basically what I was doing wrong. So shout out to my auntie Aya. She told me that I have to put, if I'm doing, like I said at the beginning of the video, if I'm doing 1 cup of flour, it has to be like 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I can't overdo it, and I think that's what I was doing. I was overdoing it. When I say overdo it, I mean I was putting too much baking powder in less flour, so it wouldn't come out right. You will still, after I fry them, you could still see the baking powder in it. But these ones I know I did these right because they were so soft, so nice, taste so good. They look like my father fried dumplings, and my father fried dumplings are the best. So I think I'm getting somewhere with these. Yeah, I'm hyped. I finally got the hang of it. minutes fried dumpling. Come true. Come true. Turn it around. Why they not why they not turning around? What's going on? These dumplings just stop acting up. Yep, you do need a good amount of oil to fry these dumplings. And remember, it's gotta be on low. Not too low, but on low. Okay? Alright, when you put them in, the oil is not too hot. Because this one needs to be turned. Why is it not? You need to turn. Come on. You need to turn. See? You need to stay over. It keeps flipping and that's why it's not even fried. Come on. What's wrong with y'all? This one really not trying to stay over. Come on. See? They're turning golden brown, but you gotta make sure they're fried. And they will give you that smell that they're ready. There's a certain smell. I don't know how to explain the smell, but you guys don't freak. Y'all gonna smell it. As long as it's golden like this, it's almost ready to be taken out. I'm just trying to get all sides, both sides to fry. I'm really trying to make this thing turn over and they're not turning over. Oh, but they soft. Look at that. So I like my dumplings to be soft. Yes. Compared to the other ones I fried the other day. So it's now 10:32, so it's been 7 minutes. I think they're all ready to be taken out. They are ready, honey. Some fried dumplings. This was requested, so I know it's overdue to making this fried dumpling. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Look at the color, golden brown. That's the color you're looking for with fried dumplings, and it gives you a smell after like I think 4 or 5 minutes, and it's ready to be taken out. So I want to make sure they're good before I take them out. It's almost time to take them out. Take them out, guys. I just want inside of them to fry good. That's why I have them low. Okay, it's been a whole 10 minutes. So I think they're ready to be taken out. It's been a whole 10 minutes. Yeah, he did that one in there. Make sure you drain it off with some paper towel to get rid of the oil. Oh yeah. Fried dumplings are ready. Already to be eaten. Look at them, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Turn it off. So I fried it for like 10 minutes. And there you go, voila. There you go, guys. Fried dumplings. Dumplings taste way better when they're hot. So here is the end result, and I tasted them, and guys, honestly, I did my thing. I finally got the hang of it, and I won't be messing up no more. Tastes so good.